Okay, I got 2 more packages. UPS guy just dropped them off. This one, can't really read that, Scendo. And this one, here, is from Matthew Young, or Matt Young, over at Mechman. So, let me open up this little guy. Sorry for all the shakiness. It's hard to hold the camera and cut this at the same time. There's 1 Jack in the Box coupons. There's 2 empty box. These are the XST2 Super Tweets. So, Scendo logo, XST2, 8 ohm, 110 watts. There's 1 Super Tweet. Here's the other one. I'm not gonna unwrap that because it's gonna be the same. It's just the same thing. It's cool though. I think these, yeah, those are push terminals, like you'd have on a sub, just a little different style. Put this guy back in the box. Here's the main package from Mechman. Damn tape. Shut up. Come on. Jackass. Le bubble wrap. Bunch of bubble wrap. A box, and then there's a bunch of bubble wrap under it, so come out, get it. So it's wrapped pretty well, bubble wrap, and it's got a little another thing of bubble wrap under that. Where's the top? Or I guess it doesn't really matter. And here it is. Gotta say something. It's the new alternator. Here it is right there. So there's the new high output alternator from Mechman. I think that's really it. Maybe I'll do some bass. Right now I'm taking a package to UPS. A guy bought a pair of tweeters I wasn't using, so I'm going to drop those off. So I thought I'd try this tripod out since I saw it coming out of the house. Oh yeah, and I made a little... Oh shit, it's got no disc.
She like Pocahontas, braids to her ass, and I'll be pulling that from the back when I'm bashing. Back to the classes, one-on-one assassin, Desert Eagle blasting, then we get the mashing. Fuck the question asking, I don't wear a mask, I pull up on the jet bike and give you a whole head like that.
This would be a key part. Turning the sub amps on. Driving at a stoplight. Okay, I think it's my new tripod. It's yummy stuff. Okay. There's some kind of shit going down. Come on, bitches. Try and get an angle on this. Gotta come around on the other side. In traffic, good, so I'll get a nice view of it. What happened? Holy fuck. Damn. Ripped the door in half. Oh, holy shit.